Hi guys, so welcome back again into a new session. So today we will discuss about how we can use Microsoft SharePoint existing template into the existing site, and we will check the options from where we can use our own custom template. So let's go ahead and use the existing site template from the Microsoft store. Okay, so let's go on site setting. Uh, Click on apply a site template, and here are the list of template from the Microsoft which they designed and provide the option, so we can import these and use in our existing site. So all these template are just divided in categories, then that will give you look and feel like from that particular category. Let's say you are using crisis management, so once you click on that, you can uh, see like this is how this the front page will look like to you here and on the dashboard page. Okay, so if we want to use the new template, go back, click on go back, and use another, like click on this department template. I just click on there, and just check this site capability here. Emphasize the latest news events, highlighted department, so showcase leadership and team, all these facility it says. And it says these are the all the included content inside this site. Okay, it's a home page, four additional pages, two pages template, one document library, enhanced stream, and Viva engage. Okay, so right now, let's say I'm going to use this template. So I will just hit on use template. Okay, I just clicked on use. Now it's just now your current site is get converting into the new template which I selected here. Okay, so it will just take a few minutes to convert your dashboard page into the existing, and it will add new pages as well. So this is how this site is get changed. The site template is get applied now to here, so you can check these, like this is the look and feel how this is much faster than other customization to the site we are creating here. Also, let's say we can check its site content as well. Like these are the menus option, it showing to me in a cascading style. So let's go and check its site content. New document library and pages also should get created there. See, it's like it's site document library. This documents also uh, repository created by default, so that's why it's just say you the modify. So when you go on the site pages, it should say that something new pages should get created there, like these pages get created from the new template. Okay, so here are the template as well, news and events template. I can just click on how this looks like. Yes, this is how this is looking like, but these we can modify on our own needs when we can use our own web part when we are editing the page, which we discussed earlier in my previous videos. So you can go here and check how this pages look like now, right now. Okay, so this is how about you can play with the my template which are provided Microsoft, and also you can use your own template by going the same process. Click on apply a site, click on from your organization. Right now my I did not add any site template yet here, so that's why it's showing me empty. So we can deploy our own template, so that we will discuss in a separate video how we can uh, create and deploy our own site template into the SharePoint Online. Okay, so right now I'm going to close this here, and I'm going to use this template to my site. Also, I can change this header color from the options which we discussed earlier. Just go in header, and okay, okay, that theme get removed. Okay, so we can change. Wait, we can change our theme color here. We need to select the theme here. Okay, so I selected the theme which I deployed previously. I selected this theme, and just click and save. So this theme get applied to all the site here. So this is how we can work with the SharePoint site template. Okay, so thank you so much for joining this video. I hope so you learn how we can work with the SharePoint Online site template. Okay, thank you so much joining for this session.